So hey guys, for today's video, we will assist the city vet or the animal to the 9 dogs that was abandoned by the owner. So I'm with our HOA secretary and then admin with her kids. So we're going to eat first. So hey guys, if you don't want to eat on Jollibee or McDonald's or Carinderia, we will eat only in Carinderia. This is what we can afford. We can afford to eat outside. So here only. Hello! What is your name? What are you going to eat?
I pray. What?
Huh?
I pray lang.
You play?
I pray.
You're just playing? Yep. What's your order? What's your order? Ariel, anong order mo? Hindi pala niya maintindihan English.
Wala mapili.
What's your order?
Alam mo si Pito.
English mo, ini-English kita. Yan, lumayo na tuloy si English. So, yan dito kami guys sa Carinderia para mas tipid. So, if you don't want to spend much, just go and eat in Carinderia or Canteen.
Kabila.
The taste is also
Hindi nakasaksak doon, oh.
worth it.
Sa likod.
Mamaya doon, marisahin ang silisagi ng tao.
Mamaya doon yan lalagay sa tubig.
Hindi yan.
Isubusog mo dito yan.
Kasi hindi tayo makukuha na.
Sabi ni Mama, isa lang po ng mother ko.
Yung formang-forma saan ka lang kakain. Yan naman yung formang-forma. Ikaw. Ano?
Ayan.
Mapigay ako, Papa.
Wala na eh.
Bakit? Ano to? Yung nakita.
Pwede na sa'yo, Ped. Gulay, wala mong gulay. Ano ka?
Hindi, ito na okay na yung kanin.
Mama.
Kaunti lang, tapos tama na. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Masala-sala ka ng punta. Mag-i-edit ka. Baby, ano ka na? Dali na, dali na. Pag-create natin. Alianin natin na niya. Alianin, ayaw ko na.
Dito mo nga sila. Wait. Milk.
Mami, ka mag-create.
Milk. Milk.
Yes, steady ko na lang.